Traders, pay close attention. Brett. Coin is setting up a very interesting structure right now, and this is our first time analyzing it together. Whether you are a breakout trader, a retest trader, or a pure trend follower, this setup is one you need to understand clearly before taking any position. If you missed the previous breakdowns of other coins, make sure to check the links in the description so you don't miss any major levels. If you look closely at Brett coin, you'll notice the overall market structure is clearly in an uptrend. Price is forming a clean series of higher lows and higher highs, showing us that buyers are still in control of the market. But as I always tell you, the trend is not the most important thing. The key to consistent trading is knowing where the market is likely to react. And if you open your eyes and look closely, you'll see that Brett coin has a very important key level around the 0.017 region. This level used to be a strong resistance zone. Every time price came back here previously, it rejected and pushed down. You can see price attempting to break this level multiple times without success. But eventually, buyers gained momentum, pushed through the resistance, and broke the level strongly, flipping it from resistance to support. This shift is extremely important now, because whenever a resistance gets broken and becomes support, that level becomes our key zone for trade entry. A broken resistance turning into support tells us buyers are confident. They didn't just test the level, they overpowered it. This means traders who were selling here before are now trapped, and trapped traders often fuel the next major move. Here is how we are approaching Brett coin. If price comes back to the support level around 0.017 and forms a bullish candlestick, this is a clear sign that buyers are defending the zone. In that case, we can look for a buy from this level to the upside, following the continuation of the uptrend. If price comes back to this support level and does not respect it and instead gives a clean break below the level, that means our flipped support has now turned back into resistance for the second time. In this case, we do not chase the breakout. We wait patiently for the retest of the broken level and look for a bearish candlestick to sell from there down. Support breaks often happen to trap impatient traders. The retest is what confirms whether sellers actually have control. Trading without confirmation is how losses are made. Trading with confirmation is how consistency is built. Brett coin is in a strong uptrend, forming higher lows and higher highs. We have a key level at 0.017, previously resistance, now flipped to support. If price respects this level, we buy. If price breaks it and retests, we sell. This level is our only key zone for safe and high probability entries. Traders, what do you think? Will Brett respect the support and continue the uptrend, or are sellers preparing to take over on the next retest? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. All right, traders, that's all we have for Brett coin today. Stay disciplined, stay patient, and as always, trade smart. I'll see you in the next breakdown.